burning mats.
Forest fires as well.
Yeah, forest. Tignan nyo guys, sunog yung mga kahoy nila dito. Yung mga kumukuha ng kahoy dyan, punta kayo na dito. Daming kahoy na patay na, oh. Sunog na. Oh, kabilaan. Kabilaan ng sunog. Oh, manood na kayo guys. Sunog pero wala nang apoy. Oh. Oh, there. So many. Tignan nyo guys, sunog-sunog. Kabilaan. There. Oh, patay-patay na. Wala na. Sunog-sunog. Sa kabila, oh. This one Rab?
Charcoal.
No, Rab.
No.
Rab River? Or what?
Cloyd River.
Cloyd? MacLeod River? Kabilaan ang sunog. Hindi ko makuha dahil malayo. Wala na yung mga bear at saka dare. Nasunog na, nagawa ng barbecue.
Barbecue bear?
Barbecue bear, barbecue dare. What's that the other one?
Mouse?
The mouse, no, the
Goat?
no, already there. See? Oh.
Coyotes?
Coyote dog.
Yeah.
But they are fast to run. They are run fast. Fast. Jumping yung sunog, kaya ganyan. May green, may brown. Kasi nag-jumping yung sunog. Lilipat sa kabila, oh, ayun pa, oh, ang daming sunog, oh, ayan. Oh, ito pa yung driver. Gusto niya kasi makita yung mga sunog. You understand? I said, a lot of fire. Also the other side, also the driver want to see the fire. See, some tree they are spot they are cleaning now, so the
Fire don't jump the wires.
the wire for electric is not burning. So nice to clean the beside the wire. Wire. I see the bear here. But the bear, oh, the fire is gonna finish already, right?
Yeah.
What's this? The house? Wow, they are rich. Oh, this one the river now. now. Yeah?
Yeah.
This one?
2 days, already 7 o'clock.
Oh, there the leak. Oh, see there?
There's the river.
Oh, that is my spot. I think it's okay.
Oh, the wood is gone.
No, it's still there. I see.
The rain flushed.
See, the river, I always... Oh, swimming is high. See, the burn is there. Oh, the good is there. The one I looking. Oh, have a spot in there too.
Yeah, nobody's camping there.
So we stay there. And then we go to the river to...
Check
Yeah.
lunchtime.
We stay there. Or here. Here.
That one's hard to get to with a car.
Yeah. Remember a lot of spot but
Big hole.
very sunny.
Yeah, very sunny.
Okay guys, no more fire. So I see you next time. Thank you for watching.